Thank you for selecting a Pulsafeeder Conductivity Cooling Tower Controller for your application. This video is intended to familiarize you with the MicroVision controller. Please refer to the detailed information in the installation manual that was provided with your controller, and always adhere to all local, state, and national codes. Note that all Biocide programming also applies to Biocide B. From the Settings menu, select Biocide A. Highlight Days/Weeks and press Select. The first screen is Days. Select the Biocide start days by using the up and down buttons. Move the cursor to the right or left using the lower buttons. The day will flash as the cursor is moved to each setting. The flashing on or off text indicates whether the current setting is on or off. If a day is highlighted or has a black backdrop, that particular day or week will have a Biocide feed. The week number is seen at the bottom right. When you are finished setting the days, press the Enter button and the week screen will appear. All of the previous instructions also apply to the week screen. Go back to the Biocide menu, arrow down, and select Start Times. Once you select Start Time, use the arrow buttons to enter the hour and minute you want the Biocide cycle to start. Repeat this process for up to 4 different start times. Now set the feed time. Highlight and select Feed Times from the Biocide menu and enter the hours and minutes that you want the Biocide to feed with each start time. The next option we'll cover is Pre-Bleed. There will be 2 settings, Pre-Bleed Time and Minimum Conductivity Value. From the Biocide menu, highlight and select Pre-Bleed. Now enter the pre-bleed time in hours and minutes using the arrow buttons and then hit OK. Next, enter the conductivity minimum value you want your conductivity to reach before the bleed cycle finishes and Biocide is fed. Do this by using arrow buttons. Press Enter and OK to return to the Biocide menu. If you want the bleed relay to be locked out for a period of time after a Biocide feed cycle, you can enter that time in the Bleed Lockout screen. Highlight and select Bleed Lockout in the Biocide menu. Enter the time in hours and minutes using the arrow buttons, and then press Enter and OK. This video was a brief overview on how to program your MicroVision. If you have additional questions, please contact your local sales representative, visit our website at pulsatron.com, or call our tech support